Ever wanted to Google something without leaving Discord? Well, guess what? You can do that, and in today's video I'm going to show exactly how to do that. Open up your web browser and open this website. Link will also be down in the description. Once you're in the website, click on Add to Discord. Select a server. Click on Continue. Click on Authorize. You should see the bot in your server now. Now you can type .google and then ask your question. After you send your message, the bot will give you answers from Google Web. This will work with any question. Let's ask one more question. And as you can see, it gets the answer for you from the web. I have a bonus trick for you. You can also Google stuff in someone's DM. First, click on the bot's profile and then click on Add App button. Select Try It Now and then click on Authorize. Navigate to someone's DM and type in /search. You'll see an option called Search Google Web. Click on that. And now ask your question. As you can see, it responds even in DM. That's it for today. If you have any idea for videos, drop it in the comments.